Welcome back to Automation 2050 channel. In today's video, I am going to show you about the best courses which I have gone through. I have gone through so far. So Edunix has lots of it's a learning platform. So you can actually they are offering lots of courses for full stack JavaScript developer, digital marketing, data science and engineering degree, cloud computing degree, cyber security, IoT, advanced artificial intelligence, and so on. So for the Diwali, they are actually going on the sale. So 30 to 50% for the sale, which you are going to enroll for the course. So it's a paid course. So I will first, since our channel is a data science and automation channel, I will go with the data science and engineering degree, which I have gone through. It has 9 modules which has lifetime access for certificate, and it is going the original price is you are seeing, no, the original price is 21,000. Now the offer price is 8,500. So you can go to that cart and you can use the coupon also. So I will the coupon is Diwali 35, and you can go to the cart and you have to put the coupon and you will get this for 8,500. So it has totally this data science and engineering degree with EDUONIX. It has lots of tools like Python, XLR, Tableau, MySQL, PySpark, and multiple hands-on projects with 9 modules, 15 projects, 470 lectures, 54 hours video, and exams will also be conducted to get the certificate. So and there is also so since it's a Diwali, it's a sale is going on, so that's why you can make use of it. So why the C degree? So you are seeing the video, no? So it is having like 9 comprehensive model, and these are all the things that they are provided. Along with that, they are providing certificate upon completion of the degree, and also ebooks, guidebooks, and code snippets. So for this price, these are all the things that they are providing. It is very worth to start. So I will also cover what are all the modules that they are mentioned there. So module 1 is data scientist tool set, and module 2 is advanced tools for data science like regression and decision trees. Module 3 is basic data visualizations, like the plots, blocks plots, EDA plots, etc. So module 4 is statistics and maths for data science like probability, hypothesis testing, regressions, classifications, modeling. Module 5 is ML with Python. So ML, you know, like there are a lot like top 10 ML, top 20 ML. So module 6 is BI, that is SQL skills, and you have to know all this in order to become a data scientist. So that's what they have correlated the whole data scientist portfolio into module wise. So module 7 is MongoDB, NoSQL introductions, and work data cleansing part. And module 8 is data engineering, which it has Hadoop and Hadoop concept, and then MapReduce, programming model, etc. Along with it, they are also teaching the data mining and getting introduced to the rapid miner, Python R, and anomaly reduction. So they are covering more topics in module 8 and module 9. Module 9 is all about PySpark and Tableau integration. So it's like a data scientist toolkit. So where I am currently learning this data scientist toolkit course at Intellipact. So it's also similar to this. This course is also similar to that. So it's a complete tool set. They are covering introduction to Excel, importing the data. So the section 2 will be like this, along with the quizzes. Section 3 will be like this. Section 5 will be having a project. Wait, which project? Section 6. Section 6 will be introduction to database and creating table, querying, SQL joins. So in each module, there are lots of sections. And for example, module 2 is advanced tools for data scientists. So in module 2, there are lots of things. So I told you, there are 9 modules. So like that, for each module, there are lots of sub fields also in that, subgroup or subsections also in that. So this is what is all about, and this is an e-degree. So for the e-degree, for this amount of quizzes and books and materials, for this price, it's really worth doing that. So that's what I thought of like sharing with you. I will give you this link also in the description box below so that you can go to that and check out and register for this course if you like. And hope this video is useful for you. And I am planning to give like, if I am going to reach, our channel is going to reach 1k subscriber, I am planning to like give you giveaway ebooks for all of you, for all your my subscribers. So keep subscribing and keep sharing and supporting. So I will tell you the quick things. I will tell you the quick things where I will tell you. So this is a data science and engineering course, and Python mini e-degree is also there. It's going to come. It's coming soon. So super development. There are lots of courses. So whatever field you are, you can, if you are into digital marketing e-degree, you can go and you can enroll for this course. Since I am interested to go to cloud computing, it's also very not that much expensive. Cyber security and IoT, advanced artificial intelligence. So this also have 6 modules, 8+ project certifications, and MER and stack, artificial intelligence and machine learning, DevOps e-degree. People who are into DevOps can enroll. People who are into full stack JavaScript can enroll. So it's for all. There are also mighty deals that they are going. So digital marketing bundle, DevOps bundle, like that. It's also, I think it's found to be interesting. Along with that, not only the data science, along with that, if the people are interested in project management, 3D printing, can also enroll all these courses. So that's what. And they are categorized into different course category like AI and machine learning, like that. So this computer vision and deep learning is very affordable cost, and you can also learn this if you want. So I am interested in deep computer vision, and I am planning to enroll for this. So computer vision, if some people will be working on the YOLO, and there will be artificial intelligence and machine learning ebook also, so you can buy that. Apart from this, there are art programming for beginners ebook, lots of ebooks they are providing. And for people who are interested in AWS, Axure, they can also enroll. People who are interested in Angular can go and enroll for that courses. And I will tell you the trending courses. Okay, the trending course which I have seen. Okay, I've seen somewhere. Trending. So these are all the trending courses. So if you want book, you can, I think, download the book by paying the money. So that is what. That's nice. So good. So original price is 875. Now Diwali sale, you are getting in 350. That is very good. And the review is also good. So I'm planning to buy this. So since it's a Diwali sale is going on, you can make use of this opportunity and enroll for all the courses, whatever the degrees or courses or ML suit, whatever you want, you can actually go to that and enroll for the affordable price. Make use of this Diwali sale and enroll for the best course, lifelong forever. There are also lots of e-degrees, so you can go and you can enhance your skills and you can enhance your resume. see why this e-degree. So I have taken now artificial intelligence, advanced AI and ML e-degree. So these are all the concepts that they are covering there. The deep learning, CNN, computer vision, etc. And along with that, the price is very affordable. That is for 5,000. Why I am saying why affordable is for this amount of like the material and all the topics they have covered is huge, and for that the money is like very affordable. That's what I'm planning, like for the Diwali sale only, so you can make use of this. The original cost is high, but for the Diwali sale, for that for this much of curriculum, the price is less. That's what I feel. And the module 1 is they are covering introduction to deep learning along with the job opportunity. Section 2 is neural network. Section 3 TensorFlow and Keras. 4 is ID's dataset. So for each and every section there will be a subsection, as I already told you. So this is what it's all about. So so I'm not actually stressing you to enroll for this or that or that. So they are also giving any definition of E degree and why you should opt for D degree, everything. So I would prefer you all to do E degree, so that you know why we have to do what we have to do. So I would prefer to go with more rather than courses. Like courses also, if you want, you can join, but rather than courses, I would definitely tell you to go with E degrees to get more, to get you like, because mainly they are also specifying why E degree. So why should I opt for E degree? Mainly for complete understanding of the concept, certificate and lifetime access, and also for the job degree. Job opportunities. So what I am currently doing, so I am also doing a course similar to this, like a data scientist toolkit. So I am doing from like different institute. So I will tell my experience also in the next video. So like what I am doing, what I am what is the course that I am doing. Like that course is also very, very good. So similar to this only. It's very good, very good modules, very good price. So like I will tell you, I will share my experience also soon. And apart from this, I have to publish Echo Dot and ebooks videos soon. So hope these videos are all useful for you. So I will give you this Arduino X link in the description box below, so you can go and you can check it out what all the course is good and what you want to enroll for it. So thank you so much and keep subscribing. Thanks, Rohini.